Okay, what's this part right here? I think it's the bug maze. Little bugs down the sewer. Oh man, running out of space. Alright, am I gonna use this egg? Talk to him, get rid of this some of this stuff I got on me.
What are you selling? Is that all? Thank you.
Oh yeah, set up first aid spray.
Thank you.
Don't need no punk ass shit like that. Oh yeah, grenades definitely help out now. Like that. Still giving me spinel? Oh well. I'm going to sort out. I would buy the rocket launcher, but apparently I ain't got enough room for it. I buy the rocket launcher so I can kill those guys easy when I come back to this area. Good. Hell, man. Nah, you gonna keep her ass, man. Shit, I don't want her. Hell, you can kill her for all I care. Oh boy, this area. I hate it cause, man, it's scary. A little bit. I can never figure out why they do that. You know, just give off a sound, but there's nothing there. Okay, now I know there's a bug right there in the hallway. I see you. Okay, yeah, bad mistake. Don't use the handgun, just pop him in the face. That was stupid of me to do that. Yep. That was stupid of me. Ow! Ah! That hurt. Yep. Do not make that mistake of just give that motherfucker a sniper bullet to the fucking forehead. Don't do what I did. Try to kill that motherfucker with a handgun. Don't do that. That was my fault right there. I should have known better. Get off that fucking wall. Where'd he go? Oh, he fell back down. Oh, no, you don't. There's supposed to be another one. I thought he'd be up here by now. Let me guess, he's still down there. Where he at? Oh, there you go. Right at here at the ladder. Gonna get up here? Bad. Okay, now I'm using my handgun now. Be too far away from the shotgun. I had no choice anyway. Oh yeah. I'm definitely need those eyes off of him. Lucky enough to get a blue one off of him. Very lucky. Okay, get my sniper rifle out once again. Okay, I know they're gonna come from that hole right there. Come pop out. Woo! Get off the roof. Okay, I think one supposed to come from over there. Oh, he didn't. He came from the hole. Wait a minute, did he come from the hole? It sounded like he did come through the door. Okay, yeah, he came through the door just from this one. I thought he come from one over there. Oh shit! Come get a piece. Come on, come get a piece. Oh! Stay down. Shit! I hate it when they do that. Get off! Get off me! Get off! Hate it when they do that. Well, at least oh shit. Not again. No! Damn it. Fucker. Well, at least I'm freeing up space now. Another memo in the sewer. Okay, I think that's all of them. Well, it ain't all of them, but it's all of them for now. Poor guy. Wish I had gotten this sooner. Yeah, I'm gonna need this right here. Okay, I don't think no. Nah, ain't no more up ahead, but when I come back out, it should be more. I'm gonna need that. Okay, yeah, that's for the eyes you get off of the little bugs. Put the green, red, and blue into it, and just sell it. If somehow you don't get the blue, just keep it. You're gonna run into more of them bugs later on in the game, so just if you don't get the blue, red, blue, and green, just keep it. Ah, there you go. Sucker. There'll be another one. They have to appear out of nowhere. I think that's all of them. Yeah. And I think when I go back to the area, probably one coming out the wall. Coming out the door. This door right there, right in front of me. There you go. Oh, no you don't. Oh shit, I shouldn't have did that. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Oh! Oh, you can't run away now. You just stick to the roof, this ain't gonna help you. Okay, that was weird. Did he just get closer to me while he was on the ground? Okay, once I bust down the door for his last one. Wow, his back was turned. It sucks to be you. I was hoping to get another blue one, but I'm gonna run some more of them later on in the game, so I'm not worried about it. My bad, grenades. Gonna face those Los Illuminados guys. Yeah, hope I don't die on this part. Dip. Jump. Not gonna risk my life right here. Alright, if you guys actually have the sniper rifle, not the sniper rifle, my bad, the rocket launcher, use it on the red guy. The rest should fall from the blast radius of it. I'm just hoping I get them all. Especially the red guy. He got a good item on him. Okay, let's see if I can do this with the grenades. Aim for red guy, throw. Okay, the one guy over there still alive. Got him. I think I killed all of them, did I? Just to make sure. Let me see. I don't see nobody else. I guess I did get all. What? Somebody still alive? I ain't even see him. Where? Oh, come on. That's bullshit. Well, from the looks of it, I think it was just one guy, so I'm not worried about it. There were like 7, 8 of those guys are killed. I'm going to save. I'll go and sell this shit off to the merchant later. I I can't believe I missed him. How did I miss him? I still can't believe he got away, man. I still can't believe that.